Hello guys, what's up? If you like to learn how to do this makeup, well, keep watching till the end of this video. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Hello guys, what's up? How are you doing? Well, I'm sorry that I might sound a little bit like there's a chicken in my throat because it actually feels like that. Yeah, again, I caught cold. But please don't mind that because we got lots of things to do. It's going to be a beautiful makeup video and I'm sure you're gonna all like it because it's just fantasy. And as you know, I'm so much into fantasy. And you know, it's a little bit weird because I used to get cold only 2 times a year. First when it's my birthday, and second when I have exam. And now it's neither of them. So I don't know why I got cold 2 times only in this 6 months. That's weird. And because I got sick whenever I had exam, I never could take the school off because I had exam and I had to go. So it didn't matter how sick I was, I just had to study as hard as I could and do my routines, which was really annoying. So when the exams were finished, I was actually okay. I felt well, but I felt like that, I deserve a holiday because when I didn't feel good, I went to school. So now it's the time to take the school off. No matter I was completely fine, I just felt like I needed rest. Obviously, my mom wasn't really a fan of this idea because she believed it doesn't make sense. Maybe she was right, but I don't know. I studied hard the whole year. I think I deserve a quick 1-day holiday of school. So I killed myself to just let me not to go to school. One easy way to just make your lips bigger. Just do this and then fade it very much. In every house we got 2 kind of parents. One of them, dad or mom, is hardgoing, the other one is easygoing, and the other one is tough. In my house and about the lesson, my mom was a tough person. So when I wake up at 6 o'clock, when I used to wake up at 6 o'clock, it was really hard to bring up the subject and tell my mom that, Mom, can I not go to school? It was so hard. And honestly, I didn't want to go to school the days that, we didn't have lots of things to do, we didn't have important lesson. And after convincing my mom that, we don't have important classes and I can prepare myself for the exams and these things, she was like, why didn't you tell me last night? I'm pretty sure you planned it weeks ago. And she was right, I planned it days and weeks ago that, okay, this day I'm not gonna go. And she was more mad at this because I waited till she wakes up, make the breakfast, and then tell her that I don't want to go to school. But it wasn't it. It had another level that I had to go and ask my father too, because she was like, I don't know, go ask your father. And that was the easiest part. I went to him and I was like, Dad, can I not go to school? And he was like, why not? I said, I'm so tired. And he was like, okay, honey, don't go. Stay home and take rest. I don't want you to feel any pressure. He was so cool. But I remember one time we went to the wedding and I didn't have time to study for my exam. I have done my homework, but I didn't have time for the exam. And I was so scared, so scared and so tired. So I told my mom and she accepts that I don't go to school tomorrow. And so I went to my father for a last permission, and I was sure that, okay, my mom said yes, you can stay home, so my dad would definitely say it, especially that he knows that we went to the wedding that I didn't want to go and they made me to go. So he would definitely say yes. Okay, I have to do this and then I'm gonna tell you. So I asked him, can I not go to school? And again, he asked me why. So I said, we've got a very important exam tomorrow. Again, I have to be shut up. And well, I'm not ready for it, so I'm scared if I don't get a good mark. And he said no. You know, it was really shocking for me because when I said that I'm tired, he would definitely say yes, but in here he said no. I used glitter for here and a black pencil for inside my eye. So he said that he doesn't want me to be a coward and I have to face my fear, so the answer is still no. Marvelous. It is. So I have to work on the other eye and I'm still tired, but I'm not going to show you this one. So let's do it. You know, in that moment, that was the last thing I wanted to hear, that he doesn't want me to be a coward. But he was right, kinda. And I really don't remember that I went to school or I went or he went. I don't really remember. But he was right. We shouldn't escape from our problems and we should just face them. There is always a way to, you know, face them. I could go to school and cheat. That was another way. It was way better than being scared and just trying to, you know, hide somewhere. So anyways, that was the point of our story, and also I took a lot of medicine, so I'm a lot of it sleepy. I have to just remove this makeup, actually take some photos, remove it, and go to sleep. I hope you guys like this video, so tell me, how do you like it in the comments. You guys can also send me some pics of makeups that you liked. I can do the makeups and shoot the video for you. You can enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, stay tuned, and always check the channel, or you can even turn the notifications on so you can be aware of our latest videos. And let's show you a close-up. This is really nice. I really like it. By the way, I have to go to wedding with this. I don't like to just remove it. Maybe I sleep with it. I don't know. So love you guys. Bye bye.